Fire suppression is any tactics that are used to control or extinguish a wildfire once it starts. Fire suppression really has resulted in a lack of diversity in our forests. We get forest stands that are all the same age, lots of the same species. The canopy closes, sunlight's not reaching the forest floor, so really a monoculture of sorts. Over many years of fire suppression, we've seen reductions in wildlife habitat. We lose open areas where forage grows for a number of different species. Prescribed fire is a really important tool to increase the diversity of our forests. We wait until the weather conditions are just perfect for our prescribed fires. We're looking at things like humidity, temperature, wind speed, and wind direction, and making sure that everything's aligning so that we can open up the forest canopy, allow species like grasses and forbs that are really suitable to a number of wildlife species. The end result of that is a more resilient forest.